Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Tundra license plate light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new bulb, typically a 168 or 194 type. Always make sure your Tundra's engine is off and the lights are switched off to prevent any electrical issues. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your Tundra. Next, locate the license plate light housing, usually found above your license plate. You'll see two small Phillips head screws holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire housing straight out from the bumper. This will give you access to the bulb socket inside. Now that you have the housing free, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to detach it. The old bulb can then be pulled straight out from the socket. Take your new 168 or 194 bulb and firmly push it into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly to ensure a good electrical connection. This step is quick and easy to complete. Finally, twist the bulb socket clockwise back into the light housing. Carefully push the entire housing back into its opening on the bumper. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Turn on your Tundra's lights to confirm the new bulb is working. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.